hexagons. It's almost like math hidden in wax. I feel like we're stepping into history. And yet it's alive! Every detail tells a story of teamwork and precision. Bees are remarkable architects. We can learn so much from them. These junctions are so precise.
I can't believe they built this without tools.
It's pure instinct and collaboration. Hexagons are nature's perfect shape. It's amazing how efficient they are. Minimal wax, maximum strength. Each hexagon fit perfectly next to the other.
Like a puzzle.
And each one contributes to temperature control. Look how the light glows through the honey.
It's mesmerizing.
See how they stack the cells? Incredible engineering.
It's like the bees are architects.
Coordinated teamwork is amazing. These cells are so strong, they could hold many times their weight.
Wow.
Nature's blueprint is flawless. Look at these droplets, they're perfectly formed.
So precise.
Every detail counts in their design. These marks, it's like the bees planned this long ago.
A secret blueprint.
Amazing foresight for tiny creatures. Each hexagon is built for maximum storage and strength.
I can see how smart this is.
It's engineering genius. See how they connect perfectly?
No gaps at all.
Even the bottoms are reinforced perfectly.
They thought of everything.
Truly amazing design. Hexagons also help regulate temperature inside the hive.
That's clever.
Nature never stops teaching us. This hive has been perfected over centuries.
It's incredible teamwork.
I feel inspired to learn from them. Even when cracked, the structure holds.
It's incredibly resilient.
Nature builds to last. The weight spreads evenly across cells.
That's clever engineering.
Truly brilliant design. These pollen deposits show centuries of careful storage.
So organized.
Every detail matters. Look, these cells maintain a perfect temperature.
Nature's air conditioning.
Fascinating. These structures are centuries old, yet still perfect.
It's astonishing teamwork.
We could learn so much from this. This blueprint has inspired generations of bees.
A timeless design.
Truly remarkable engineering. These filaments give extra support between cells.
Ingenious.
Every connection matters. The bees cleverly store nectar out of sight.
Hidden treasures.
Smart planning. Symmetry ensures every cell supports its neighbors.
Perfect balance.
Brilliant design. Look at the hive from top to bottom.
A masterpiece.
Truly inspiring teamwork. Every detail tells a story of teamwork and precision. Bees are remarkable architects. We can learn so much from them. This is the legacy of the bee's blueprint.
A timeless wonder.
Nature's genius at its finest. Look at how the sunlight makes the pollen sparkle.
It's like gold dust.
Nature's magic everywhere. The weight spreads evenly to prevent collapse.
Ingenious design.
Nature's engineering never ceases to amaze. Sunlight and structure together create this magical glow.
So enchanting.
Look at them chase the pollen.
So playful.
I wish I could join without getting dizzy. Catch this pollen if you can.
I'm trying.
You're too quick. See how they share the nectar equally. So fair and sweet.
This hive is full of life and joy.
Absolutely magical. I love every corner. This garden is full of sweet nectar.
Hey,
look at all these colors. I want to taste them all. See how we balance perfectly?
Wow, so graceful.
Nature, look, a tiny hidden treasure of honey.
So sweet.
Nature hides wonders everywhere.
What a magical garden! I could stay here forever. Every corner is full of joy. Look at the view from up here.
So high, wow.
Careful, it's windy. See the garden below? That's our next adventure. Looks magical.
I can't wait to explore. Step here gently, then glide.
Got it. Careful, careful.
What a perfect spot to see the whole world.
Magical and bright.
I love our hive adventures.
Look, this hidden cell has nectar we never saw before.
Wow, it's a secret treasure.
So mysterious. This passage might lead to even more secret stores.
Should we explore?
I'm intrigued, but careful. Look at these marks. They must be ancient bee codes.
A secret message?
Fascinating. These tunnels go so deep. I wonder what we'll find.
Feels a bit spooky.
Stay close, Florabee. These must be the strongest cells for heavy honey.
Wow, built to last.
Bees really think ahead.
Look,
Ancient bees left a secret spiral.
could it be a map?
Fascinating history. A natural bridge. Bees really think of everything.
Ingenious.
Clever architects indeed.
Look at this.
A hidden world beneath the hive.
Full of secrets.
This honey feels alive.
Is it supposed to glow?
Something ancient is hidden here.
Whoa, the floor is moving.
I knew this was a bad idea. Wait, it's making a path. It's like the hive wants us to walk here.
I hope it knows what it's doing.
This place is responding to us. These symbols, they're telling a story.
About old bees?
About how the hive was born. This must be the ancient hive below.
Okay, together then.
Let's discover it. Wow, it's a whole city. Why is it so quiet?
This place has been sleeping for a long time.
It's reacting to us. I didn't even push it.
This city recognizes living bees. It's changing shape.
Steady.
The city is testing us. Together, now.
Okay, I trust you.
Yes, that's it.
It worked. The city likes us because we moved as one. This cell, it's different.
It looks
This is the heart of the hive.
6 sides, all equal.
No space wasted. Maximum strength, minimum wax.
It doesn't break. It's super strong.
The shape spreads the load perfectly.
It's responding again. We did it.
The hive remembers its design.
Uh-oh, something's wrong. The floor is shaking.
The balance is breaking.
Bella, don't move. I'm slipping.
Florabee, angle left now.
I've got you.
Thank you.
Match the shape, like the hexagons.
Balance restored. We did it together.
Just like the hive.
Unity is the strongest design. Something is coming.
I can feel it.
This place is awakening. Welcome, young builders of the hive. No single bee builds the hive. Strength lives in harmony.
We felt it, together. Alone we slip.
Together we stand. Remember the blueprint and protect it. The hive feels quieter now.
Like it's resting.
Its lesson stays with us. It's the same design.
Still working.
The blueprint lives on. Nothing was lost.
It was passed on.
Knowledge doesn't disappear. Like us, learning and growing.
Helping each other.
That's how systems survive. Let's protect this design.
For the future.
For every bee to come. This wall is showing something.
Is it alive?
It's reflecting ideas. These shapes, they're using the same design.
Like giant honeycombs.
Efficiency repeats itself.
What if bees built everything? It would all be stronger.
And smarter. Others may copy it.
But we protect it.
Because it's alive.
There's more to learn. Let's go!
The blueprint continues.
Whoa!
The hive is breathing.
It feels tickly.
These are air paths.
Whee! Best ride ever!
It's moving on purpose.
Controlled airflow.
It cools and warms the hive.
Like sharing air.
Temperature balance. This vent is stuck.
I'll blow harder.
We need teamwork.
Air is flowing again.
We fixed it. Every system needs care. Look at how much honey we've stored.
So shiny!
Every drop counts.
Whee! This is fun!
Careful, Beela.
Balance is important. Every drop of honey is a treasure.
So precious!
And perfectly stored. From here, you can see everything.
It's like a tiny city below.
Strategy and order everywhere. This shows how air flows perfectly.
And temperature stays just right.
The system is incredible. Look at the lights.
Careful, Beela!
Notice the patterns forming. Every bee has a role and path.
Amazing teamwork.
Precision everywhere.
Look at these hidden nectar treasures. So sparkly.
Perfect for our hive's needs. Every drop counts for our hive.
I love collecting it.
And it's perfectly balanced. Every corridor tells a story of honeybee hive.
Wow, we learned so much.
Hive engineering is pure genius. This feels like the heart of the hive. This is the original blueprint. Everything began here. So we're part of something really old. And it's our job to protect it. Your Majesty, we discovered the ancient blueprint.
The blueprint lives not in walls, but in how we work together.
Especially the smallest. Then let's share this wisdom with everyone.
Remember, the blueprint lives in every bee who chooses cooperation over chaos.
Even small bees like us.
Knowledge survives only when it is shared.
Come, there's one last thing to see.
The hive is small, but its impact is endless.
This is what our hive protects. More than we ever imagined. Look! All those flowers. They're waiting for us.
True strength isn't how fast we fly, it's how well we stay together. The greatest builders are not the biggest. They are the ones who understand balance.
And they help each other, like the honeycomb.
What will you build? Together.
If you enjoyed our journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can keep building amazing stories together.